So you're stony, I do it all. Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the woo up drop. If you busy plotting on what I got, kick in your door and swat you down.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It is me, Nyla, and today I have for you guys a new video of me making a fool of myself because I have no idea what makeup is. And now it may seem like I have it together. I really don't. You'll figure that out throughout the duration of this video because it is a crazy mess. I talk, I play music, I sing music, I make people's ears bleed, so beware, that is your disclaimer. So if you want to see how I finally achieved this decent okay look, be sure to continue watching and make sure to go down below and subscribe to my channel for more, and also be included in the Rays of Sunshine family. Yes, that is my cringy subscribers' names. Also, be sure to click on that eye up in the corner because I have something up there for you guys that will help you, help me, help you. So be sure to click on the eye as it pops up. Anyways, let's get right into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy me humiliating myself and being stupid like I always do. Yeah, so first I'm gonna put up my hair and then I'm gonna like work on my eyebrows. I use this LA Colors automatic eyeliner in the shade black. What I do is just like line the eyebrow. The reason I do my eyebrows first is because I don't conceal them to like shape it up. I use a baby wipe to like shape it up. So that's why I don't do my foundation first, because then it's gonna like mess with the foundation. I have like an unorthodox way of doing my makeup, so it's like I don't follow like, you know, trends that you're supposed to do or whatever. I do it however it looks good. So not again. Ah!
Keep rocking, I keep knocking. Tie it up and reback it. They say that hate that they serving on the platter. So what we gonna have? What is that?
That's how I do my eyebrows. So now that I did my eyebrows, I'm going to go into foundation. And for foundation, I use the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. This is in 360 Mocha. So I'm just gonna take some, put it on my every time. Foundation brush from e.l.f. Oh, pointed. It says pointed. Brushing it out. Ooh, now I look like somebody else. The heck? I'm gonna go in with concealer, and mind you guys, I have never ever used concealer before, and today I bought the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer because I see everyone use it and I'm like, I don't know which concealer to get or use, so why not go with the one everyone's talking about?
It's like, oh, this is coming out like a lot.
So like, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, why isn't it coming out now? What else do? I go like...
I'm gonna go like, I think. What is the point of concealer? Like, here I am, not knowing what I'm doing.
I'm squeezing and none of this stuff is coming out. I'm lost. Is this making sense? Eyebrow with it.
Look, I'm probably just gonna mess stuff up. What is going on?
I have no idea what's going on. Like, oh! Am I supposed to? I have a white bed sheet and bed skirt, so like every time I drop something, I get scared. I concealed. I've never done this before. Eyebrows look weird. Eyebrows definitely look weird. Like I gotta go back in. I'm not fixing it. I don't care. No, yes I do. Dang it. Okay, now I think you're supposed to like set stuff. So I guess you're supposed to like put the powder on your face. Like set everywhere that I concealed, I guess. We're looking good here. We're looking good. Good looks, guys. Good looks. Now, I'm going to do my eyeshadow. And I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette that I recently got. And it's my only palette of eyeshadow. But it's my favorite. I've decided that I'm going to do like something. I don't know. I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush, like an all over brush, and I'm gonna go like out on the outer corner. Love letter. I'm gonna go out there with love letter. Next. No, why would they put Crying in the Club Kids Bop version in my playlist? Are you kidding me? I'm gonna use this Target gift card to straighten out my edges, like, yeah. Okay, and now that I did that, oh, I should probably do both eyes. Like, what is going on? This is gonna be fabulous. Oh, they're mowing outside. Venetian red, like, look, I don't know all the anatomy of the eyelid, so I'm just gonna point at where I'm going. Antique bronze, and I'm gonna put it like in my crease-ish. No, I'm gonna put it over like the Venetian red. Look, see, I'm so unorganized. I just do stuff until I think it looks good. Like, that's what I am. A mess. I couldn't see if I put it on there or not. Where am I going with this? What the heck? I'm gonna use Primavera, which is this color right here. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with this blending brush from the palette and like see if I can save what I'm doing. And I also went with it like kind of in my corner, but not really. It's like whatever. So to do my eyeliner, I use a bobby pin, and since I don't have one over here, I'm just gonna take one out of my braids. I saw this on Instagram, I think, or maybe it was somewhere else, and all I do is like I paint the edge, so like it kind of gives me a pattern or a shape for like what I'm going for. I'm gonna put on my false lashes, which are these Ardell Wispies in Demi Wispies in black. Now I'm gonna try to do this. I'm going to fail. I use hair bonding glue instead of eyelash glue because that's what the lady at the salon suggested. Why I thought this was a good idea is beyond me. 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. For blush, I'm using this Tarte Amazonian clay palette called Party with 3 A's, and it's a birthday gift thingy from Sephora, so that's why I have it. So I'm just gonna do like that and like put it on my lips. Okay, so basically that is the finished look. I realized that I don't look as ugly when I'm not in front of like this lighting. So like you see, like if I turn it off, I'm like, oh, not that terrible, not as bad, you know. But when I turn it on, it's like, ugh, you know. So it's like just coming right at you, like in 3D IMAX, you know what I'm saying? So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed me not knowing what the heck I was doing with all of this stuff that I bought. If you liked it, subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, and if you guys want more videos like this, be sure to comment down below because I'd be happy to do them and humiliate myself just for your enjoyment. And also, if you guys could do me a favor and click on the eye that pops up in the corner, because I'm gonna have a little poll there for you guys so that I can get a better sense of what you guys would like to see on my channel. So be sure you do that, subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next. Bye.